half of the egg is in the water now. Oh my god, literally almost fell. Anyways, hello. I made an eggs benedict. I hard-boiled the eggs instead of poaching them because I don't know how to poach eggs. Even hard-boiling them is impossible for me because, like, look what just happened. But I'm using a store-bought mix that I found from Farm Boy, and it's pretty good. It just smells really, really bad. I'm also eating some cara, I don't know, oranges on the side. So the winter semester started today. Thankfully, my Monday class is online. I don't think I'm still mentally ready to go back to school. I'm gonna have a little snack now. You already saw me make some tea. Then I have 2 different kinds of cheese. I'm almost done.
It's those concepts in more detail, and this idea of is how it's taken.
It gets so dark so early. I am kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have a snack before I work out. I had a craving for like energy bites, so the recipe that I use, I don't follow it exactly. I kind of just add what I want. It really doesn't look good, but it tastes so good. I've just been eating it. Okay, I need to roll these into balls. I don't know how to clip this on. I'm just gonna hold it. So funny because in my last video, when I was showing my Christmas presents, I put my phone here. It's like I manifested this freaking microphone. Came home from school. I was in a rush because I woke up later than usual. I just grabbed like 2 energy bites of banana and a cheese stick, which I did not eat. I got some snacks, got these candies for Sophie. We're gonna be watching the Singles Inferno finale tonight. Oh my god. Oh no. Stop! What is she doing? No! What are you doing? Hello. I got my period yesterday and I was dealing with like the worst cramps ever. I'm feeling better now, but I still feel kind of gross. I woke up earlier than usual, so I actually had the chance to make like a nicer breakfast. Oatmeal pancakes. I just put some banana on top, and I'm gonna actually put some honey on top instead of maple syrup. I was actually gonna stop filming because I really wasn't feeling well, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. Holy frick, it's so sweet. Ooh. Chocolate that I got yesterday did not satisfy my chocolate craving. It's too sweet. It's like mint chocolate ice cream wrapped in chocolate cookie dough. This is so much better. I think it's really, really good.
You can have mine.
Actually?
Yeah,
this is really sweet too, but this is a lot better than the chocolate. This is technically like a frozen yogurt. It's literally just Greek yogurt and fruit, but it's really, really good. And the granola is good. I finished eating it. I'm still hungry. Got my toasted bagel here. I like to make hummus toast. So I add like a thick layer. Oh my God. This may look gross, but this, oh my God, this is so good though. Should I lick the spoon? Oh, this is a part 2 of my breakfast or lunch. I don't know, it's like 2 p.m. I slept in. I went to bed at like 6 a.m. Oh my God, this is so good. So I discovered this snack from this creator. She's making a Korean rice cake cookie. It is so good. This is gonna be like my 3rd time making it. Hello, it is 11:30. I'm gonna have a little snack before I go to bed. The mint ice cream wrapped in like chocolate cookie dough. I also kind of want a cheese stick, but I feel like I have to say that I don't eat like this all the time. And on top of that, I try to film every single thing I eat. But I do want to let you guys know that I am eating slightly more than what I show. I just sometimes forget to document it, and my eating drastically changes when I'm on my period. I'm gonna end the night with some of these. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
What is that smell?
It's the coconut sugar.